Have you ever pondered how your actions, however small, can impact the environment on a global scale? Each and every one of us plays a part in the narrative of our planet's health. Even the most seemingly insignificant choices we make, from the products we buy to the energy we consume, ripple outwards, shaping the world in ways we may not even realize. This video will present 10 practical examples of how you can contribute to environmental preservation in your everyday life. Begin by switching off lights when not in use, a small action that can save a significant amount of energy over time. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference. Next, consider recycling. Whether it's paper, plastic, or metal, recycling helps reduce the demand for new products and the resources used to make them. The third step is to use reusable shopping bags. They're not just trendy, they're an excellent way to cut down on single-use plastics that often end up in our oceans and landfill sites. Fourthly, when possible, choose to walk or cycle instead of driving. Not only is it good for your health, it reduces carbon emissions and air pollution. Our fifth example is to plant trees. They absorb carbon dioxide, provide habitats for wildlife, and can even cool down urban areas. The sixth step involves conserving water. This can be as simple as turning off the tap while you brush your teeth, or collecting rainwater for your garden. Seventh, consider reducing your meat consumption. The meat industry contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Even one meat-free day a week can make a difference. Eighth, start composting. It reduces the amount of organic waste sent to landfills and provides nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Ninth, shopping locally not only supports your community, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods from far away. And finally, our 10th example is to educate others about environmental conservation. Share your knowledge and inspire others to make positive changes too. Remember, every action counts, no matter how small it may seem. So you might ask, what impact can these simple actions have on our environment? Well, each gesture, however small, adds up. By reducing energy consumption, we decrease our reliance on non-renewable resources. Lowering carbon emissions helps slow down climate change. Preserving natural resources ensures they're available for years to come. And promoting biodiversity? That's how we maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystem. By making these small changes in your life, you can play a significant role in preserving our planet for future generations. Start today, because every step counts.